If you struggle with hard skin, dry feet, cracked heels or calluses, manually scrubbing them off with a stone or file can be annoying and slow. But what if you could fix it fast with minimal effort? That's where this cool little device helps, and trust me, you'll want to watch this video till the end. So today we are unboxing the Agaro Callus Remover CR3001, a rechargeable, waterproof callus remover that's actually really handy for foot care at home. This comes with 3 interchangeable roller heads for different levels of dead skin removal. It's waterproof, so you can use it on wet or dry feet and under the shower. The rechargeable battery gives you about 45 minutes of cordless use on a full charge. Let's jump right into the unboxing. Inside the box, we have the user manual, a carry pouch for all accessories, a USB charging cable, sadly not Type-C, a cleaning brush, very useful, the callus remover device itself, plus the 3 interchangeable roller heads. The design feels solid and premium, and the tool has a nice ergonomic shape, feels good in hand. On the back side, you get the charging port, and on the top there's the power button which supports 2 speed modes, low and high. You can see the roller spinning smoothly when it's powered on, and there's also a built-in LED light to help you see the skin clearly if the lighting's low, which is a nice detail. Removing or changing the heads is simple. Just press the buttons on both sides to release the head and snap the new one in. The 3 heads include coarse for very tough, thick dead skin, medium which is for general use, and fine for finishing and smoothing. Before I use it, I check the battery. Plugging in the cable shows a red charging indicator, and it turns green when fully charged. I washed my feet with warm water first. This softens the skin and helps the tool work better. My feet have some rough, thick dead skin, so let's test it out. Starting with speed 1, I lightly roll the head over the skin. No need to press hard. If you push too much, the motor slows down, so keep it light but steady. You can see the dead skin flakes coming off, and the included cleaning brush helps clear them quickly so you can keep going. It's much faster and easier than manual scrubbing. Now I'm switching to the fine head for a smoother finish once most of the rough skin is gone. This head works great for that final touch and makes your feet look softer and more polished. Honestly, this tool is really satisfying to use and feels very effective for home foot care. Once I'm done, I'll wipe my feet with wet tissues and add some antiseptic cream. That helps prevent irritation after heavy exfoliation. Then I'll clean the heads with the brush, cap them, and put everything back in the pouch for next time. Overall, I would give this a 5-star rating for how well it works, how easy it is to use, and the fact that you can do home foot care with real results. If you have dry skin, hard calluses, or rough heels, this is a must-have tool in your grooming kit. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more honest unboxings and reviews. See you in the next one.